How was your campus life?
Campus life, an job. I am job.
Oh, you have a job.
Yes.
What's your job? What's your job?
What is job? An individual by the days. The job is individual at the church.
How did you get to Addis Ababa University? It's your first time, yeah?
First time 20,000 in the beginning. I can Addis Ababa.
Oh.
Because Addis Ababa. The beginning is the extension. The two years 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 and 1 2 3 4 6 1 2 3 4 5 the extension next the regular 16 is the beginning 21,000 21.
So it's the first time to join Addis Ababa University?
Yes.
Oh. So how did you get to the campus?
At the beginning, 2021 ወይም ደግሞ 2021 ማለት ነው። the beginning is 21 2021 the the 21 the beginning 1 year ኔክስቱ ፈረስት ዋና አንደኛ በመውጣት ሰከንዳሪ 16 ክላስ ከዚያ ቀጥሎ ዘኔከስ 6ኛ ክፍል ጀመርኩ ኤክስትሪ በእንዘ ሰርቲኒር graduation.
So how did you see the campus?
The campus is very nice. After the day-to-day exercise, in the church, in the classmates, in the day-to-day exercise.
Do you think that the Addis Ababa University at graduates is more of ethics and like a lot of people of, because there are a lot of people you can don't and they have a lot of weather and there's hot, so do you think that is right, people?
Yes.
Yeah.
I am corona is affected by more everything man body was.
Body what?
አጠቃላይ ሰውነት ክፍል
In English please.
At the body. The
ከሰውነት ተበርቆ ነው ግን
any this is affected by in economics, in life, in political in the whole affect.
What's the meaning of GC? What is the meaning of GC?
GC?
Yeah.
Development country.
GC what? Yeah.
Development country.